We are cleaning up our campsite. Getting ready to go take a little family hike, a little venture for the day.
Alright, let's go, guys.
Say hey, Destiny. Eli, say hi.
Hi.
Elliot raking up the area, making sure when we come back from our adventure, our campsite is ready to be enjoyed and relaxed. Off into the wild.
If a bunch of squirrels are just piling in, like.
We come back and all the squirrels are going to be in our seats and in our tents. Let's not
I gotta put the bed in the truck.
hope that that is not what we're going to come back to.
I would love so hard.
Like one time we went camping and we went down to the beach at Leo Carrillo, and then when we came back there were squirrels inside our tent. They made a hole.
Really? Look at, show them the squirrel.
And they came into
Look at it,
the tent and just kind of, he's checking our lamp out. He's like, hey.
Yeah, that's our friend Bolt.
Yeah.
Just like our dog. Hey,
Yeah,
we
left our dogs, our
saw,
babes
what
at
are they called,
home.
Destiny? Blue jays. We saw blue jays. Yeah, we
There's
saw like
blue
3 of
jays.
them. Where's, oh yeah, and we got binoculars. Yeah, where's
We're
tree
gonna
animal?
venture to the wild with our binoculars. Well, we bought the kids some binoculars for this camping trip.
Oh yeah, and you know what's funny? So I went in the tent and then I fell and then it broke. So I was like in there on the ground because I fell and then it was like, ooh.
So basically, see that tent on the floor? She broke the tent. She made it collapse, and it's a pop-up tent, and it no longer pops up now.
Don't get the automatic pop-up tent.
Do not get the automatic pop-up tent because see that beauty over there? It has sticks in it, and it basically has 6
I believe
sticks.
7 or
7?
8. I don't know, something like that.
It's
7 or
pretty
8.
big and nice.
Oh, ours? This one? Yeah.
Alright,
like
we're
7
gonna
or
go adventure off into this
Yeah, we got a hammock.
wilderness.
We got a hammock.
We'll check you out in the other video, guys. Bye.